Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you're having a good day. Um, I'm on my way to the store for some spinach. That's what I have a taste for right now. And I just wanted to say hi. Actually, I just wanted to give people an update about the marine collagen that I started taking a few weeks ago, the MSM and the Vital 3 joint solution drops. I can almost do a squat now. Um, I still can't do like a deep squat, but I can do like a partial squat if that makes sense. Um, Still can't run yet though. Have not regained the ability to run like I used to, and I was pretty fast. So, we're still working on that. Why does it look like this light is on, but it's not? Oh, there's these things. I don't know what those little lights are for, but anyway. Yeah, so we're working on the ability to be able to run and run fast again. So again, I can do um, a partial squat, not a deep squat, but enough of a squat to help me regain my strength. We'll say that. So I just wanted to share that with you in case anyone else is interested in taking the Vital 3, the MSM, and the oops, my bad, and the collagen. There is bovine collagen, but as a vegetarian, I didn't want to take the bovine collagen, so I did go for the marine collagen. Actually, was a gift from a good friend. So the vegan collagen, from what I was told from my friend, is not really collagen. It's like collagen-like. So he decided to purchase the marine collagen. Well, I decided that's what I wanted, and he surprised me and purchased it for me and sent it to my house. So there's that. But yeah, I've been taking it at least, I'll say 3 to 4 times a week. I have skipped a few days, sometimes intentionally, sometimes unintentionally. But it does seem to work fairly quickly. And I don't know if it's the combination or if it's something else. But I do know that the MSM, the aftertaste is not tasty. So the aftertaste is tasting, and I don't particularly care for the aftertaste. But again, I do like the benefits that I've noticed in my body so far. I have been doing my best to eat a little better. And what do I mean by that? I have been eating a lot of sweets. Sweets is a weakness of mine. So I've been doing my best to not go to the bakery and get a piece of cake, but to have a smoothie instead. So that's my solution to that. I've been doing better. I've been using frozen fruit for the most part, as opposed to fresh fruit, unless it's bananas. But usually with the bananas, I'll put them in the freezer so that I get that more smoothie consistency when I'm ready for them. And I've been doing my best to eat less carbs, because that was another thing. I just all of a sudden jumped out the window and started ODing on like bread and stuff like that. So what I've done there is pull back a little bit on the bread, and I've been eating more wraps. If I want something that's, sandwich like, I'll make a wrap instead. Eventually I will wean myself off of that, but just making little adjustments again. Don't want to say what my next step is, because you have to keep certain things to yourself. Because people like to send evil things your way and try to sabotage you and talk you out of stuff and all that good stuff. So certain things you just have to keep to yourself, That's the way of the world. This crazy mixed up world we live in. But yeah, that's my update. I'm going to go in here and get myself some spinach, because that's what I have a taste for. And I think I'm going to make it spicy. And I'm going to see if they have some Thai curry paste, the red one. Or is it Thai chili paste? Because I love to add that to my spinach. It's kind of African inspired. Africans use like their red paste. I don't remember what it's called, but anyway, they put onions and I think garlic and stuff like that in it. So I'm gonna make like a copycat version. One of my friends is married to an African, and she made it for me, and I've been hooked on it ever since. But she put it in between two slices of bread with some cheese, and then she toasted the bread and let the cheese melt, which was delicious, but I'm not doing cheese. So I'm just going to have the spinach. I don't really have anything to eat it with. I could make some lentils or some couscous or some quinoa, but I don't know. I may just end up eating the spinach. I may make enough, or maybe I'll make the lentils tonight and then take it to work for lunch tomorrow. That sounds like a good idea. Although lentils doesn't take long, and neither does couscous. Couscous takes like 10 minutes. So we'll see. I may actually have it with some couscous. That sounds like a good idea because it's quick and easy. About the same amount of time that it takes for the spinach to be ready, the couscous should be ready too. I'm gonna have couscous and spinach. All right, y'all. I'm done being silly. Love y'all as always, and I hope again that anything that I share is always helpful, because that's the purpose, to help you come up with ideas for meals, to help you with any ailments that you may be having, and always remember that the skin is the largest organ on the body, and whatever we put in or on our skin, or whatever we put on our skin or touch, it absorbs into the skin, which eventually goes to the bloodstream, and it can cause other issues later on down the line. And so this is one of the reasons I started making my all natural products. I also noticed the benefits of the eczema. I've had customers say that their skin tags were cleared up. They sleep better, and lots of other good things were a benefit to those who use the products. They are all natural and chemical free, and again, are created with love to help you. So, that's it. I hope that again this was helpful, and as always, I love y'all. Oh, and if you ever need a reading, a Reiki session, a coaching session, I do offer those services, which you can find at Love Coach Training, lovetrainingcoach.com. That's LOVETRAINING coach, COACH.com, or CIRCA2009.com for the products. Love y'all. Later.